What is up, guys? I've been skating for 9 years now, so learning a new trick on flat ground isn't just something I do, but today I have a few tricks I want to try and hopefully I can land a new trick today. And the first trick I'm gonna try is a fake big heel flip. I've never done this on anything, but I think it's possible. It is so much easier than ollie. I'm getting there. Alright, next try. Let's wait. I landed now. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. 2 to make it through. I think my next trick will be a hard flip late backside 180, or a ghetto bird as some people call it. Double? Oh, this is a hard trick, man. Wasn't that more like a kickflip body barrel? I don't know. So guys, my bearing broke right when I landed it, but I feel like it was just a kickflip body barrel. I want to get more of the hard flip in there. So let's see if my bearing allows me to do another one. No. I thought I was gonna kill my camera. So guys, the last ghetto bird wasn't really that great, but my bearing is just giving me a hard time right now, so I'll take it. I got a bit more hard flip in there and I'm happy with that. So I feel like I've learned fake big heels today and ghetto birds, and maybe I inspired you guys to get out there and learn some new tricks. Hopefully. See you guys in the future.